Hello, everyone. Welcome to weather briefing for Saturday, March 29th, 2025, and Sunday, March 30th, 2025. So let's get started. Here is the outlook for Saturday, March 29th, 2025. It is a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for severe weather. It encompasses places like Wentzville, Florissant, St. Louis, Arnold, Festus, Eureka, Washington, Union, St. Clair, Owensville, Herman, Jonesburg, Troy, Winfield, Ellsbury, and Montgomery City in Missouri. The tornado risk isn't anything for the St. Louis area. Same with the hail risk, not much of any hail risk for the St. Louis area, mainly in western Warren County, western Lincoln County, and extreme northwestern Franklin County, encompassing places like Montgomery City, Jonesburg, Herman, and Owensville. But the main risk is going to be damaging winds, which this is a 5% risk for damaging winds within 25 miles of any given point. Same areas where I announced the severe weather outlook. But we will be mainly focusing on Sunday, March 30th, 2025. Here is the severe weather outlook for March 30th, 2025. It encompasses places like Ellsbury, Winfield, Alton, Florissant, St. Louis, Washington, Eureka, Arnold, Festus, Union, St. Clair, Washington, Sullivan, Owensville, Herman, Jonesburg, Wentzville, Troy, Winfield, Ellsbury, and Montgomery City in Missouri, and in Illinois, Jerseyville, Grafton, Bridgeton, Alton, Stunton, Warden, Highland, Lebanon, Muskota, Millshat, Waterloo, Redbud, and Marissa in Illinois. And the severe weather outlook is a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for severe weather. There is a tornado risk, a 5 and 2% tornado risk within 25 miles of any given point, and they're in that green and brown zone. But I don't think the tornado risk will really be the main concern. I believe the wind and hail risks will be the main risks for the St. Louis area. So there is a 30% hatched risk for places like St. Clair, Union, Eureka, Arnold, Festus, St. Louis, Florissant in Missouri, and Waterloo, Redbud, Marissa, Mascota, Mistat, Lebanon, Highland, Warden, Sutton, Britton, Carlinville, Jersey, and Jerseyville in Illinois, which means we could have wind gusts exceed 75 to 80 miles per hour. Other areas that are not in a hatch risk are still under 30%. Those places are Ellsbury, Winfield, Wentzville, Washington, Owensville, Herman, Jonesburg, Montgomery City, and Troy in Missouri. I personally believe the main risk will be the hail. Here is a 30% hatched risk for severe hail, and a hatch risk indicates that we could have up to apple-sized hail within 25 miles of any given point there in that red zone. So now let's look at the timings for Sunday, March 30th, 2025. The storms will start to fire off in the St. Louis area around like 7 a.m. And then I believe the most intense part will be around 11 a.m. And then more storms around 1 p.m. And then they'll probably be out of the St. Louis area by like 3 or 4 p.m. All those times are on Sunday, March 30th, 2025. Significant tornado parameter values around the most intense part will be 0.2 to 1.6. Supercell Composite values are 1.1 to 10.5. Max Updraft Helicity values are in between 11 to 165. Which is equivalent to pea-sized hail, and unfortunately, I still do not know the equivalent for the 165. Most unstable CAPE, convective available potential energy, or storm fuel values are in between 10 to 2,660 joules per kilogram. The surface-based CAPE, convective available potential energy, or storm fuel values are 10 to 2,660 joules per kilogram. And the times for both the most unstable and surface-based CAPEs are around 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The winds around 10 a.m. system will be in between 28.8 to 70.7 miles per hour. Temperatures are in between 53 to 73 degrees for the entire duration of the system. Dew points are in between 47 to 66 degrees for the duration of the system. Thank you all for watching today's weather video. I might be live for this event. We will see. So anyway, bye!